Can a complete beginner really earn money from Amazon KDP? Or is it already saturated? Is it too late to start? You have probably heard several opinions. Some people say Amazon KDP is already dead. Some say it is an easy money making system. Today, I will share the truth from my own experience. I have published more than 30 books on Amazon KDP. Some books worked, some books failed. I have made mistakes. I have learned lessons in a hard way. What I share here is from my own experience. It is not take from anywhere. So, what happens really? When you publish the first books, that is a learning lesson. Before going to explain, let us have a look on my books, Amazon bookshelf. Here you can see 62,519 rupees I have earned till now from 30 books. Here is the book titles and the print, digital, audio. These all types of income I have received. So let me answer the main question. Yes, a beginner can earn money from KDP, but not the way the most people expect. The first point you have to keep it in mind, KDP is a portfolio game. First, the truth. Amazon KDP is not about one book. The most beginners publish one book. They wait. They check sales every day. Nothing happens. Then they get disappointed. Then they quit. KDP works like a portfolio. I published my first book in 2022. That was related to webinar. How to market the webinar? Because I have conducted several webinars as a part of my job. So from my own experience, I wrote that book, but I got very few sales. That was a learning lesson. The second book that was related to lead generation, related to digital marketing. That book also received some pre-orders, but I did not get any continuous order. But I did not quit. I continue my publishing journey. Months after month, I published the books. Then I create a portfolio. Now I have 30 books. Every day I am getting revenue, income, because some books get sales, some books gets income. Every day in my Amazon dashboard, the money is visible, the royalty is visible. If I publish one book and wait for the income, then I may be quit already. Because Amazon is a portfolio game. You have to publish more and more books. Then you can earn income. So one book teaches you. 5 books give stability. 10 or more books create momentum. So you have to reach that phase, that momentum phase. It works. It brings money. Amazon does not reward luck. Amazon rewards consistency. Then you can make money. So if you are thinking, I will write one book and become rich, you are already on the wrong path. The second point, copying trends, that fails. Second big mistakes beginners make. They copy trending topics blindly. They see a bestseller. They rush to write the same topic, same idea, same style, same promise. But here is the problem. By the time you publish the book, the market is already crowded. Your book gets buried. Some authors don't chase trends. They identify specific problems. They write for specific readers. They will win. The third problem is simple book sales, not complicated books. Most of the beginners, they try to publish the complicated, difficult books, big books. But the truth is different. Simple books sell. You don't need a big English. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need 300-page books. Readers want solutions, clear answers, practical tips, practical help. A simple book for one clear audience. That book has much higher chance to sell than a complicated book nobody finishes. So let us check the reality. Amazon KDP is not a magic. It is not an instant money-making system, but it is real. It does work if you treat it like a system. Write, publish, learn, repeat. So if you are serious about publishing your first book, subscribe this channel. The next video, I will explain why most Amazon KDP books fail and how you can avoid those mistakes. From very beginning, let us see you on the next video.